Nothing has officially started rolling out its much-anticipated Nothing OS 3 update for all the users gradually, just as they promised for October. And the improvements are quite impressive. Nothing posted on its X account formerly known as Twitter that Phone 2a users can join the open beta program for early access. The new Nothing OS 3.0 update brings a refreshing twist with major changes that stand out and make the user experience more engaging. Now, let's explore the new features in Nothing OS 3. Everyone's favorite dot matrix font, the N dot font from Nothing, has been removed from several areas. The N dot font has been replaced by a cleaner sans-serif font. While the new font gives a more minimalistic look, some users might miss the previous font style. The settings page has also been redesigned with better grouping, and there's a new special features page that combines options like game mode and pop-up view. Additionally, a tips and feedback section now offers helpful guides for new users. By the way, do you like N dot font? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Another aesthetic enhancement is the incorporation of the dot matrix design in the fingerprint and charging animations. Although not fully live in the beta version of Nothing OS 3, the new animation adds a more visually appealing look. There are also minor changes in the icon pack, which now add colors based on the chosen theme. And the settings page has also moved away from its black and white look. The quick settings panel has seen a major upgrade. The brightness slider has been moved lower for easier access, and there's an auto brightness option readily available without needing to dive into settings. The quick settings tiles have been resized, giving users more space to customize them. Although Nothing OS 3 seems to draw inspiration from iOS 18, it brings valuable improvements by allowing users to fully customize the quick settings tiles based on their preferences, providing much-needed flexibility. This enhancement allows users to personalize their device's interface, making it more functional and tailored to their needs. By offering this level of control, Nothing OS 3 stands out, giving users the best of both worlds: iOS-inspired design with the freedom of Android customization. In the app drawer, new features have been added to enhance usability. You can now pin apps at the top for easy access, and AI-driven app suggestions display frequently used apps at the top. Additionally, a new Smart App drawer automatically categorizes apps into different folders similar to iOS's app library, making navigation more intuitive. Customizing the lock screen has become simpler. You can now long press to directly adjust the lock screen, and there are 5 new clock styles available. Widgets can also be customized, and you can expand the widget area by removing the clock to add additional widgets, giving users more flexibility. New widgets have also been introduced, including a countdown widget and shared widgets that allow users to sync certain widgets, like photo widgets, across devices. The new gallery app, designed in Nothing's signature style, promises faster access to photos after capturing them with the camera. It also highlights key moments, making photo browsing more dynamic. Beyond these major updates, Nothing OS 3.0 is based on Android 15, so it incorporates Android 15 features as well. Other smaller updates include a custom charging mode, a charging assistant that provides recommendations on chargers, and a smart cleanup feature in the storage settings that automatically optimizes performance by regrouping storage. Nothing OS 3.0 seems to be a significant upgrade. It offers a more customizable and visually pleasing experience, pushing the boundaries of what Android updates can achieve. The update is a clear step toward refining the Android experience with a unique and tailored approach. So what are your thoughts about Nothing OS 3? Have you received the update? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that said, I will see you guys in the next video.